Some of you guys may be asking how I get cassettes really clean. Obviously this one isn't silver, but we can get all of this black stuff off of it and make it look more presentable. Here's an example. This one's chrome covered. It was covered in black dirt. It was really bad, but now it's a lot better. First I get a bottle of WD-40 and I spray the cassette and make it nice and wet. As you can see, it is soaking in the WD-40. So now the tool that I normally use is this bicycle gear brush. I have had this thing for many years. So if you look at this tool with me real quick, this part right here is for getting in between the cogs. So what I do basically is I spin this around, and as I'm spinning it around, I'm just picking at the really solidified particles that are on here, and it comes off really easily. If you don't have one, you can just use a regular plastic brush like this, and this is a bladed spoke off bicycle, but you can use like a piece of copper wire or a coat hanger to scrape off all of this hard dirt and debris, just like this. Okay, and once I've gone through every single crevice of the cassette with my gear tool or my spoke or piece of coat hanger, I go ahead and start scrubbing the outside. So again, you could use your gear brush or metal wire brush, and then you can go like this, just like that. And then I recommend brushing in the direction of drive, so that means that you can see that the cassette freewheels this way to the left, and then it drives forward going to the right, and it'll give you like a solid, something solid to kind of just brush the cassette off, instead of like brushing this way, and that would make it more difficult for you. And you're just gonna go all around the cassette until you scrub everything. Alright, once you've brushed the whole cassette, I get something like brake clean or a spray degreaser that evaporates quickly to spray all this debris off. So this is the most satisfying part that you guys always watch me do on my story. As you can see, it is a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. Alright, so the last thing I do is I floss between each of the gears here to get the rest of the debris out, and that's pretty much it. That's how you get your cassette nice and sparkly clean. And after flossing the teeth between each gear, this is the final result. I will probably take it off and clean it more if it disassembles easily. But other than that, that is a quick way to get your cassette nice and clean.